Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing something very exciting, something I have wanted to do for a long time. We're going to be testing out a robot lawnmower. We are out here at my good friend Adam's house. He has a perfect lawn to test this out. We have the GOAT robot lawnmower. It's an Ecovacs brand. Let's bust this all out, see what we have in the box. We will get it set up, map it out, and let it rip and see what happens. This is a substantial machine. This is the base station. This will get put out by the house. It's got a real long cord on it so you can get to an outlet wherever you want. This is the trimmer head. Also edges around your sidewalks and landscaping and other things like that. I think that's a good spot for the base. We got an outlet just over here, so we'll run that cord over and get it nice open area, easy in and out. Get our trimmer put on, and then we'll start playing with the app and get this thing all going. So the base, I guess we can start by getting this in place. So essentially how this cuts, it looks like it's kind of these tiny little razor blades. They spin out, and it does come with a bunch of extra blades, a box of extra blades. A lot of them have tracks. This has these spiky wheels, and I think these are actually gonna propel this just fine, even up pretty steep inclines. We have a pretty flat surface here today, but these things are pretty substantial. Let's get it in the base. All right, so we're setting a security pin on here, which you guys can't see. We are all done with the setup firmware update, and we are ready to get this thing out on the lawn. We're going to do some boundary setup and testing of the unit, make sure it's all ready to go, and then we'll let it loose. Okay, I think we're ready. We may have to rework on this straight line here. Mowing speed, mowing height. There are no humans. So it's just going to trace the boundary first. It looks like it's going just inside the boundary, and then it's going to come back and trim the edge at the end. Super quiet. Let's see how it handles these dandelions. Yeah, it chopped these things down pretty good. And these are hard for any lawnmower because they're pretty stemmy, and it took them all out. So it's creating a grid. It's going to go down back and forth until it has a straight line all the way from one end of the yard all the way down through to the other. Because the boundary jets in a little bit here, it's waiting to make a full straight path. So it came up about halfway here, turned around, and went back. And I think this next path will be all the way down. All right, it's been out here working for a little while we went and had some lunch. Now you just don't have to mow the grass. You just go eat lunch and watch it mow the grass. Isn't this cool? It has been making straight lines back and forth. So you can see it's doing very well at actually doing straight lines. I'm impressed with that. It did miss a couple dandelions. There's a couple out here that it missed, but that's pretty common with even my lawnmower at home. So this makes the 3D LiDAR makes a map of the area, and it actually has the trees mapped in here, everything above and next to the mower. So you can see it actually marked the house in here. It actually made a map of the trees. So it creates a 3D map as it goes around, and it still has more to do. It hasn't been around that center section of the backyard yet. All right, we're going to try to do some trimming. So this has an automatic trimmer attached, and it will go to the boundary, so all along the edge we set up, and it should do some trimming. So I have a feeling it's going to turn to the right and turn the trimmer on, and then it should begin. Oh yeah. Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. So this is how it gets along the edges. Obviously along the boundary here, there's no wall or anything, but oh yeah, so there's the string. Oh, it saw I was too close. Uh-oh, it's gonna hit a stick. Oh, it automatically fed out some more string after it hit the stick. But it knew I was close because of the LiDAR on the top. So the 3D LiDAR told me, or it noticed me and made me get further back for weed whipping. It just navigated around all the edging here. There's some areas that we could probably adjust the map so it tightens up. But it also added, you can hear the string when it hits sticks or something, it breaks the string off, and then it feeds more string into the head. It's pretty sweet. Can barely hear it. It's so cool. It's nervous that I'm here. It's okay, little fella. It's okay. Just keep going. It handles these obstacles pretty good. Well, I'm not sure if they call it the goat because it's the greatest of all time or because it's like just having a goat in your yard. But either way, it's working really well so far. What a cool idea to have a lawnmower that just comes out and mows your grass. It docks, it charges, and weed whips all around everything else. How great is it to just take that off of your plate and not have to worry about mowing the grass anymore? How much time could you save in other equipment and maintenance on engines and all of these things? All that goes away. You plug this thing in and it just does its job. I'm very impressed. So now Adam can do things like this instead of mowing his grass. That sounds way better.
Oh yeah.
Well, we're gonna let it go, and we'll have Adam take some video of it. We're gonna leave this here for him to mow his yard. Adam's easy chair. So Adam's yard here is about 18 or 19,000 square feet. That's what it mapped out and once it made all the boundaries. So it's a pretty good sized yard. You can use the app to set this in different sections. You can have it mow, say, in the front yard one day, in the backyard and the side, different days. You can set. What a cool gadget to make life a little bit easier here. Just kind of sitting in the house or sitting on the porch and just watching it mow the grass is pretty awesome. I'm definitely impressed with how quiet it is and just how easy it was to set up and how well it's been working. When I partner with companies to show you guys cool things like this, I always put discount codes and links and anything that the company has offered for you guys in the description of the YouTube video and on TikTok or Instagram or wherever else it is. You can check this out. It's the Ecovacs A3000. This is a fully autonomous robot lawnmower. Definitely something to check out, and they are actually way less expensive than they used to be. Thanks for tagging along today. Thanks for watching. Let me know what you think. What about all the robot things? They have robot mops, robot window cleaners, robot vacuum cleaners, and now robot lawnmowers. What do you think? Worthwhile? Do you have one? How well have you liked it? I'd love to hear from you guys. As always, thumbs up on today's video, and I will see you next time.